Today's book review: How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. If you have any interest in self-help field of books and you haven't read this book yet, I would recommend to stop watching this video any further and get hold of that book as soon as possible. If you don't have that book, comment down your email and I will send to you the PDF for free. Because whatever you have read so far for your personality growth has in one way or the other came out of this book. The book was published in 1936 and to the best of my knowledge, this is the only book on the subject whose demand has not withered away even after almost a century. Millions of copies sold, hundreds of languages translated into, and the book continues to inspire generations. The author, Dale Carnegie, was born into a humble farming family in Missouri and had to face the struggles of village life early on. His school was far away from village and he had to travel long hours each day on the horseback to attend the school. However, he turned the odds in his favor. He started utilizing the hours on horseback to practice public speaking. He got so good at it that his colleagues would pay him to teach them the art of facing the audience. After years of teaching public speaking and observing human behavior, Carnegie noticed one universal truth. Success in life, whether personal or professional, depended on our ability to navigate relationships. This realization inspired him to write a timeless masterpiece, How to Win Friends and Influence People. Every sentence of this is as relevant as it was back then. Reading How to Win Friends and Influence People is like having a heartfelt conversation with a mentor who genuinely cares about your growth. From the very first page, the book resonates deeply because it taps into our most fundamental human desire to be understood and valued. Carnegie's principles like give honest and sincere appreciation or talk in terms of other person's interests seem so simple, yet they hold transformative power. As you turn the pages, you begin to reflect on your own interactions. How often have we, in a rush to express ourselves, failed truly to listen? How often have we missed opportunities to uplift someone with genuine praise? For me, one of the most emotional moments in the book was the story of the father who finally connected with his son, not through criticism, but by understanding and encouragement. You read that once, and I promise it will be imprinted on your mind for the rest of your life. Dale Carnegie's How to Win Friends and Influence People isn't just a book to read once and set aside. It's a guide you will return to again and again, each time finding new insights to apply to your life. So, if you have ever struggled with connecting with others, inspiring your team, or simply being more likable, this book is your answer. And as you embark on this journey, you will discover that the principles Carnegie shares are not just about influencing others, they are about becoming the best version of yourself. That's all for today. Till next video, stay hard, stay strong, stay focused with Focus 24.